Hello, welcome to KSR IAS Academy. Today we shall discuss about new PCM batch which we are going to start for the academic year 2021 and 22. So, what is this PCM Prelims cum Mains batch? Prelims cum Mains batch generally emphasizes on general studies program. This general studies plays a very crucial role in all the phases of the exam. At the same time, the success of an aspirant. First of all, this general studies, which includes in the GS paper 1 of prelims examination, is most important to check whether the candidate will be in the merit list or not. In the mains examination, it is the deciding factor, as the combined weightage of all general studies papers, including essay, will be 1250 marks. And it plays a crucial role in the interview also. And this is the major deciding factor in the aspirant's success. So being played a very crucial role in prelims, mains and interview stages of civil service examination. This paper or this subject or this module, general studies, must not be taken very lightly. It must be given utmost importance and must be dealt in a very crucial way and in a very proper way. Failure to handle this general studies in a obvious manner will always tend to failure of an aspirant. So let me discuss about this PCM program in KSR IAS Academy. This is the secret of our tremendous success in continually from 2016 in civil service examination. So our program starts at 10 a.m. in the morning. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. we have this classroom program. And for the classroom program, we'll be given this micro-zonation syllabus and schedule. We and the faculty will be motivated or they will be bound to complete the syllabus upon this schedule. Very, very, very important. Time-bound completion of the schedule is the main pillar of our success. From 2 to 4 p.m., we'll be having current affairs discussion along with the PDF. Next, from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., doubt clarifying session by the expert faculty who dealt with the subject that particular day, and also the preparation time for the daily exam, which is going to be conducted from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. This daily exam, which includes both prelims and mains pattern upon the previous day syllabus, which is covered in the class. Very, very important point, and these are the secrets or pillars of our success, where we continually achieving top ranks in civil service examination. Let me have this small comparison of KSR IAS Academy online and offline course with the other institutes. Let me give you a small overview. They'll cover about 9 months and see the program highlights. Micro-zonation, they'll not be provided. They'll be completing the syllabus at their will. Sometimes they say 9 months, they extend it, they close it very earlier, whatever it may be. So syllabus will be covered in a messy manner, and which creates a fully confusion to the students. This is the most important. You can even verify the proper other aspirants who have taken the coaching in the other institute, and they do not provide the conceptual clarity from the basic. They start from the earlier and they finish it in a messy manner, and mere provision of the materials without explanation is done. Next, expert guidance will be absent, and substandard tests. These are the program schedules in the other institute. Whereas in the KSR IAS Academy, we'll be providing detailed micro-zonation syllabus along with this schedule, which day, which topic, who is the faculty. Entire coverage of the syllabus, prelims and mains examination with equal prioritization of all topics. There are many other institutes where they don't even cover the small topics such as which they say internal security, international relations, and they don't even focus upon the ecology aspect of the environment. At the same time, they will neglect the social issues, which is very highly motivating topic these days, and it is having not less than 120 marks weightage in the recent trends of GS1. So that will not be done. All topics will be given equal priority and weightage, and the teaching will be start from the most basic, as most of the aspirants come from the technical background such as BTech. So we start at the ground zero level. complete current coverage of the current affairs along with the static detailed explanation. And this will be done on daily basis as we discussed earlier, and monthly compilation of current affairs will be given, and that also will be discussed on weekends. Next, thoroughly revised and complete study material. Our study material is thoroughly revised every year, which suits to the UPSC pattern and UPSC standard every time. Next, full expert guidance will be provided. The faculty which teach, who will be teaching in the KSR IAS Academy, they'll be having experience at least of 6 years, and they must face the interview at least once or twice. Otherwise, they'll not be even eligible to become a junior faculty in KSR IAS Academy. So, and I already explained daily, weekly tests along with the explanation, both prelims and mains. So these are the success pillars of the KSR IAS Academy. GS General Studies module must not be neglected. Each and every topic must be given the equal weightage and equal priority, either while teaching, either while providing material, or either while giving exams or conducting test series. So these things must be kept in mind, and the general studies, which plays a very crucial role in the success of any aspirant, must not be neglected. So please give proper weightage both in your efforts and in time, and get proper top marks in general studies. Okay, all the best aspirants. Have a great day. God bless you.